In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a link in Hootsuite and schedule or publish it with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a link, preview it, make quick edits, and choose the right time to share it across your social channels. First, open Hootsuite and start creating a post. From your dashboard, look for the Compose area or the New Post option. This opens the Post Composer where you'll draft everything in one place. Think of it as your control center. You'll see fields for text, your link, and scheduling options all in a single clear view. Next, select the social account where the post will be published. You can choose one profile or multiple, depending on your plan and your goals. As you pick accounts, remember that each network has its own style and limits. For example, shorter copy often performs better on some platforms, and links may display differently. If you're posting to more than one profile, aim for text that reads well everywhere you've selected. Now paste your link into the Post Composer. Drop the full URL right into the text field. Hootsuite will detect it automatically. If you use link shorteners or tracking, don't worry. You can refine those in a moment. For now, just make sure your link is clean, accurate, and takes visitors to the exact page you intend. Give the preview a moment to load. Hootsuite pulls the title, description, and image from the web page. This depends on the site's metadata, so a well-optimized page will show a strong preview. If the preview doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds. If it still doesn't load, double-check the URL or refresh the composer to prompt a new fetch. Make any edits you need to the text, the link preview, or your link settings. Sharpen your caption with a clear call to action and add relevant hashtags where appropriate. If Hootsuite allows it for that network, you can adjust the preview, title, or image. In link settings, choose a shortener or tracking parameters if that's part of your workflow. Keep your copy concise, make the first line engaging, and ensure the preview aligns with what readers should expect. Finally, decide whether to schedule or publish the post with the link included. If timing matters, pick a date and time that matches your audience's activity and confirm your time zone. You can also post immediately if you're ready to go live. Review everything one last time, then schedule or publish, and you're done. And